Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got this Renault Clio 182 in for a bunch of handling upgrades. But before we get into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also a notification bell, and then you won't miss when any of our new videos go live. Doing a ton of upgrades on this. So we're doing the BILSTEIN B14 suspension upgrade. We're doing the Powerflex bushes, K-Tec racing engine gearbox mounts, and then also some other upgrades as well. So we're going to get the car in the workshop and walk you through all the parts. Okay, so we've got the Clio up on the ramps behind us, and we've got all the parts out here in front of us from Powerflex, Bilstein. Some of the K-Tec parts we're still waiting to come in. They should arrive like today or tomorrow. So we'll show you those once they're here. So obviously we're upgrading the standard suspension to the BILSTEIN B14s. So it gives you ride height adjustment on all four corners, so we can dial in the ride height, also the corner weight on this car as well if the customer wants to go for it. Powerflex, we're upgrading all the rubber bushes on this car with Powerflex bushes, so all the front arms, the rear beam, the top mounts as well, so giving it a complete refresh, obviously replacing all the well-worn factory rubber bushings. And then from K-Tec we've got the engine mount and the gearbox mount, and we'll show you the differences between the standard ones and the K-Tec ones a little bit later on. But yeah, we're going to get these fitted and hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.